Follow these steps to reduce background noise during phone calls using voice isolation on iPhone. First, you can make a call. Either it's video call, audio call, FaceTime call, or any calls. Just make sure you are in the call. Now, what you have to do is, while you are in the call, open your control center. Then click on the option Call Controls. With that, you're gonna find the section for audio and video. For the audio, you're gonna get different options as automatic, standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. By default, it might be set to automatic. Now you have to select the option of voice isolation. With that, you have enabled voice isolation for your device. This feature will enhance call quality by reducing background noise and prioritizing your voice. It helps in noisy environments like cafes, streets, or crowded places. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.